Thank you for joining me to review IBM's product SmartCloud Entry. My name is David Sarson from CMI, a premier business partner in Northern California. During this presentation, I will explain how SmartCloud Entry can help you implement a cloud environment, not only by simplifying and managing your cloud environment, but also by closely and more directly aligning your cloud with the needs of your enterprise. But before I can start showing you how SmartCloud Entry can help your organization, let's agree on a couple of definitions. The cloud is a model to deliver an IT service. There are three models to deliver that service. In the private cloud model, resources are realized inside the enterprise boundaries, with the cloud services available to internal users only. In the public cloud model, the cloud is provided by someone outside of the organization. A wide area network is necessary to access this model. The hybrid cloud model is a joining of the private and public clouds. Private cloud is still used for normal activity, but the public cloud is used for an unexpected increase in workload or services not available within the enterprise private cloud. Cloud services can be delivered in four different ways, with two groups having different responsibilities. On-premise, using the private cloud, you manage everything in this model. Infrastructure as a service, where you manage the system from the OS up through the application and others manage up to the virtualization layer. Platform as a service, where middleware, runtime, and OS are also maintained outside the organization and delivered to the end user for program development. And finally, software as a service, where the cloud provider delivers a complete software stack, giving the user a fully configured hosted application. SmartCloud Entry is an IaaS service used within the private cloud environment. Finally, there are two actors involved in cloud computing. The cloud delivery person, who is generally the IT administrator. His responsibilities include cloud setup, monitoring, management, authorization or denying service delivery, measured usage, and ongoing care and feeding of the cloud. The other player is the cloud consumer, or the end user. He orders from the self-service catalog and consumes the resource. The key difference from the non-cloud environment to the past is the ability for the end user to self-manage these services. Let's explore some of the challenges our customers have been facing with the cloud. For the cloud end user, there is usually delays from the IT department to deliver critical services for their business units and workflows. Often, the complaints drive users to other external cloud providers, creating a shadow IT organization. Meanwhile, the IT administrator or cloud provider would like to automate and standardize repetitive, zero-value tasks. They would like to keep control of VM sprawl with automated provisioning and deprovisioning. They would like to measure their value with showback and chargeback capabilities, and also avoid having shadow IT resources used in the business. The IT administrator potentially loses the data security necessary to protect the IT assets. Let's take a look at SmartCloud Entry's self-service portal, reviewing the advantages for both the end users and the IT administrators. Here's a screenshot of the SmartCloud Entry end user self-service portal. It gives end users the speed, efficiency, and job-appropriate controls for many of their IT needs. They have the self-provisioning capabilities so they can be more productive, getting the IT resources they want when they want them. Users can immediately become self-sufficient. They can provision virtual servers through one pane of glass regardless of hypervisor, including VMware, KVM, and PowerVM. They can also self-manage existing VMs and configure and request new VMs through this portal. Users are able to power VMs on and off, control backup environments, and make templates out of recurring VMs. End users can resize existing storage or add a new disk with or without the IT administrator's approval, and actions will be automatically executed through SmartCloud Entry. This ability to add or resize storage reduces the storage administrator's involvement, who can now focus on other, more strategic tasks. This is a better way to use IT resources. SmartCloud Entry allows the IT department to become the can-do department. The IT administrator can approve or deny those end-user requests at the click of a button. The IT administrator can verify, deny, modify, or approve each request. It's possible to limit the requests to specific projects or grant pre-approval to specific individuals. The IT administrator establishes the standards and various options end users will have for building their virtual machines. They can set automatic deprovisioning dates and time limits for all VMs, helping eliminate VM sprawl. Showback and chargeback capabilities can be managed by measuring resource utilization and associated costs per VM and per project. Workflow approval can be incorporated into the necessary resource deployment, even integrating into your service catalog. Rapid deployment reduces the need for end users to avoid the IT department by procuring VMs outside of the IT shop via Amazon, SoftLayer, or another third-party IaaS provider. You know where your data is being kept, and it's safe. With end users being more self-sufficient, IT expenses are reduced since the IT administrators are no longer involved in repetitive and zero value-added tasks. Let's discuss each of these capabilities in depth and how we can continue your IT journey for cloud automation for your organization with SmartCloud Entry. Give me a call and we can discuss your needs, SmartCloud Entry, and your cloud strategy. Thanks very much.